Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start exercise 3.2 of class 7th. In this video we will discuss about two topics, that is mode and the second is median. Okay. So in the first part you are given some data, okay. We have to find the mode and median of this data, okay. So before finding mode and median, firstly we have to arrange this in ascending order or descending order, that is your choice, okay. Ascending order. Okay, this you know how to do. Firstly, we will write the lowest number. Then on the next number, we will write more than that lowest number. Okay, so like this we will proceed. First number is here 5, which is lowest. Okay, and next is 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 24 times is here. Okay, next is 24. 23, 24, 24, 25. Okay, so this data is arranged in ascending order. Okay, so firstly we will write mode. See, in any data, okay, which number is occurring most of the time, okay, that is our mode. So which is here, which is occurring most of the time, that is 20, it is 4 times. Okay, so mode of our data is 4 times. Okay, now we have to find median. So what is the meaning of median? That is the middle value. Okay. Now see how many numbers are there, that are 15. Okay. So in 15 numbers, which will be the middle value? See, encircle the first and the last digit, then the second and the second last. Okay. So like this we will encircle one from each side. Okay. One is from left side and one from right side. Okay. Which number is left? That is 20. This is our median. Okay. So that means middle value is our median. So like this, first what is mode? Mode is which is occurring most often. Okay, so which is occurring most often, that is 20. So means 20 is our mode. Okay, and middle value is, that is our median. Okay, and the question is there, are they same? So we have to write here, yes, mode and median are same. Fine. Second, third and fourth question you can do in the same way. Okay, suppose our next question is there now, 4, 3, 2, 2, 4. Okay, now see what is mode of our data. Mode is which number is occurring most often. Okay, now see 2 is occurring 2 times, 4 is occurring 2 times. Okay, so that means we are having two mode, that is 2 and 4. Okay, so that means mode can be more than 1. Next in your book, in fifth part, some true false questions are there. First is there, the mode is always one of the numbers in the data. Okay, now see, mode we are taking from your given data only. Okay, so that means the mode is always one of the number that is given in the data. The first answer is true. Okay, next is there, the mean is one of the numbers in the data. Okay, now see, if we are finding the mean, so we have to do sum of all terms. First we will do 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 divided by number of all terms. How many number of terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. When you will add these numbers, so what you will get here? Here it is 24 by 7. Okay. Now see, when you will divide 24 with 7, so you will get here 3.4. Okay, so when we will find mean of any data, okay, so that means that is not necessarily from the data only. Okay, so this answer is false. Okay, and your C part is there. The median is always one of the numbers in the data. See, when we will find median, median means we are taking the number from the data only, so that means its answer is true. Okay, in the fourth part, the data is given 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9. We have to check that it has mean 9 or not. Okay, so that means firstly we will find the mean. Okay, so how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that means 8 terms are there. Okay, when you will add these numbers, so what you will get? This is equal to 64 by 8. This is equal to 8. This is not equal to 9. Okay, so that means our mean is not 9. So this answer is false. So here your exercise is completed. Thank you so much.